Yo, what up everybody? I'm doing just a quick review on the Protocol Tracer Jet. Little 3.5 channel RC heli that I got from Burlington Coat Factory this weekend. Pretty stable little heli here. Got it charging up. Been playing with it a little bit. That's what it looks like. Got a little metal frame. Pretty light. It's a nice remote that lets it hover. No spring loaded. Battery's about to die, so I gotta make this quick. Let me just do a quick little test flight for you. Built-in LEDs, kind of pretty stable flight there. Has forwards, backwards flight. Backwards for you. Really good buy at 40 bucks. Can't really beat it. Get about 10 minutes of good flying time. Real stable in the air. Has a rotary trim. Here's a knob that you just spin. Let me get the lights off for you really quick. And that's all she wrote.